Welcome to Worcester. Worcester is a small city in England's West Midlands, about 30 miles southwest of Birmingham, or if you prefer, 120 miles west of London. Worcester is famous for Worcester porcelain, Lea & Perrins or Worcestershire sauce, and the composer Edward Elgar. There's a statue to Sir Edward Elgar at the end of Worcester High Street in the city centre, only a few yards from where his father had his music shop. Opposite the Elgar statue stands the 12th century Worcester Cathedral, which every 3 years hosts the Three Choirs Festival. And on the far side of the cathedral flows the River Severn, the UK's longest river, on its way through to Gloucester, Bristol and on to the sea. Even though Worcester is miles from the sea, we do often get seagulls here. On the opposite bank of the river is the Worcester County Cricket Ground, where we've been delighted to welcome teams from Australia and New Zealand. It's a lovely spot with a game going on and the cathedral in the background, but due to its proximity to the river, it sometimes floods. Near the cathedral and down by the river there's a wall which shows the heights of these floods. The highest, marked with a brass plaque, occurred in the year 1670. But not far below this there's an engraved brick with the much more recent date of 2007. Just outside the city centre, off City Walls Road, yes, Worcester still has a portion of the city wall, you arrive at the Commandery building. The Commandery is now a museum, but back in 1866 it was the first home of Worcester College for the Blind, or to give it its full name back then, Worcester College for the Blind Sons of Gentlemen. The college moved to its present location on the outskirts of Worcester in 1902, and in 1987 it merged with Chorleywood College for Girls and later became New College Worcester. The college is at the forefront of secondary education for blind and partially sighted young people, and Braille continues to be a vital tool for literacy and learning. The college offers a full curriculum of subjects, including maths and science, modern foreign languages and music, etc., etc., as well as living and life skills for the students. In 2016, the college celebrated its 150th anniversary, which included a carol concert at Worcester Cathedral. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this very brief tour of some of Worcester, and thank you for joining us at the General Assembly of the International Council on English Braille.